They need our help.
We must consider our own welfare first. You are sometimes too passionate, my prince. This is not about chivalry.
I am an Azilian knight, and everything is about chivalry.
Yes, but we have rules in this country, and Parliament has spoken. There will be no aid. The decision is final.
Then I will help them myself, and Parliament be damned!
Versailles, a land of magic, is home to the human and all other races. They lived together peacefully for many prosperous centuries, until the day a great evil arose. It's not known whence he came from, or even what he was, but he was searching for a source of great power. He swept like a storm from the east through Hexter, the land of the orcs, and corrupted everything in his path. Then there rose 7 heroes to face this evil. Through their brave and sacrificial deeds, the evil was vanquished. It was later known as the War of Heroes. These heroes became the Zoc Knights, and peace once again reigned in Versailles. But peace is an odd thing. Over time, the people of Versailles forgot about the terrible war that wrought such great destruction. The heroes faded away and became the stuff of legends and bedtime stories. Until one day, when, just as they had 100 years ago, the orcs came again. And just as they did 100 years ago, heroes rose to combat the evil. One such hero was Curian. Orphaned at infancy, he grew strong and straight under the wise and loving guidance of a faithful priest. Fully grown, he left his happy village of Haven in search of adventure. After 6 years abroad, he now returns home to face an adventure he would never dare dream: the savage invasion of the orcs.
Ah, home at last. It has been a long time since I last saw this little village. Where did these orcs come from? Another orc raid? The village. I must make haste to the village! Let's
Leave
go.
it to me.
I'll handle it. I'll do it.
Leave it to me.
Come with me.
Leave it to me.
Orcs! They are attacking the village! Fight! Attack to the orcs!
Young warrior, you fight well. Thank you.
Russelant, it's me, Curian. Don't you remember?
Curian. Curian, my young friend, it's you. You've come back, and just in time, too.
Where are all these orcs coming from?
Now they suddenly appeared from nowhere, and these were only scouts, I fear. We're in trouble. I can feel it.
Captain, in the east, we've spotted a large orc army led by a huge ogre. They're headed straight for us.
Quickly, Gather all the survivors and retreat into the mountains. The strongest fighters to the rear. Thurian, protect the villagers.
My sword is yours. I'll guard them with my life.
I'll do it. Come with me.
If I only
Just
had a
give me the
pickaxe.
job.
Yes? Leave it to me. I'm ready. Leave it to me. I'm ready. I'm ready.
We are under attack.
I think we might be safe here.
Many thanks, Kyrian. You saved us. On behalf of the entire village, please accept this as our gratitude. Go on. Take it.
Thank you.
This was no ordinary raiding band. I must travel to Castle Horonodon and warn the king of this.
I'll go with you, Russalant. You may need an extra blade.
Away then.
Mission complete.